Hello everyone, welcome to PIE5.0 operational video series. This video introduces the function of precision quality inspection and geometric rectification. Quality evaluation function includes two modules, DUM precision inspection and geometric rectification. DUM precision inspection includes image geometric accurate check and geometric rectification function. In this module, you can edit or modify points manually and then carry on geometric rectification. Geometric rectification performs completely automatic processing and cannot be manually edited. From the menu bar, select Quality Evaluation. Geometric rectification interface will appear. Click to be correct. Add images to be correct the input image list. Click on Base Image. Add base image to input image list. Click on DEM. Add DEM data to input image list. Feature point extraction object. Choose to extract feature points from the target images or from the base images. Feature points. Set the number of feature points to be extracted in each image. Texture quality. There are better, general, or worse options. When the image texture differences between the target image and the base image is relatively large, you can choose worse. The default is general. Correcting model. There are three options: geometric polynomial, tiny model, and projective model. Geometric polynomialized model. In view of all overall image of offset, thus effect is better. Tiny model. This model is mainly for satellite data with the inaccurate RPC file. This model divides image into many small blocks. Each block corresponds to different RPC parameters. Projective model. This model is mainly to modify and rebuild RPC files from images to be processed and generated new RPB file. Therefore, you need to input DEM data in this model. User can choose correction model according to the input data. Polynomial model automatically deleted errors. Check the port option and set polynomial model threshold to automatically delete the checkpoint with their residual greater than the threshold during automatic matching process. Output projection. Set projection for output file. You can choose Use to Correct Image Projection or Use to Base Image Projection. Output path. Set the C path for output file. After setting all parameters, click OK. Start the geometric rectification. Geometric rectification process completed. Click OK. Next, let's talk about DUM precision inspection. Click on DUM precision inspection. Open Quality Inspection and Geometric Rectification interface. There are two working models, fully automatic model and artificially annularity model. Fully automatic model, it requires the input check images and base images must have common projection information, according to which PIE also generates the geographical near relations. Artificial auxiliary model, the input check images and basis images are allowed to have no projection information or use local coordinate system. Before automatically extraction checkpoints, you need to manually select 3 pair and formally distributed control points on the image. Click on Check Images. Select the Check Also Photo image for addition. Click on Base Images. Select the base image to add. Click on DM Data. Select DM Data to add. After data addition is completed, click on Generated Checkpoints button to open the Checkpoints search dialog. Select Check Images. Texture quality. The default is general. If the texture quality is poor, select worse. Geometric uniformity. The default is general. When the geometric uniformity of the image is poor, you can choose worse. Geomed match. When the option is checked, only one checkpoint with the highest precision is retained in the certain size geode. Default seed point number. Set seed point number depending on the texture quality of base image and the frame number. If image texture is poor and the number of base image is large, you can set a large value appropriately. Check on Advanced Setting button to open the Advanced Setting dialog. The method of setting parameters is the same as the geographic advanced setting for control points, which will not described in detail here. According to standard map range, national standard or military standard can be selected. Framing scale. Set this scale according to the actual needs. PIE also builds in non-scale from 1 to 2000 to 1 to 1 million. Points number per map. Set the number of preset seed points in each frame. After parameter setting is completed, click on OK. Started generating checkpoints. Checkpoints generation completed. Click OK. Double-click the image to be checked in the image list. You can open the checkpoint list for the image. Editing checkpoints. The editing method is the same as that type points and control point, so it is not introduced in detail. Click on the Export RPB file button. The RPB file of image to be checked can be exported according to the checkpoint. If the checkpoints are less generated or uneven distribution, you can click on Matching Points. Hold down the left mouse button and draw a percentage in the area of matching checkpoints. The Draw Box Checkpoint Parameter Settings dialog appears. Texture quality. The corresponding text quality is selected according to the actual texture of the image. Seed point interval. Preset seed point stacking density. The smaller the stacking, the denser the seed points. Seed points number. Preset number of seed points. The more seed points are preset, the more checkpoints are generated. If the patch area checkpoint matches incorrectly, examples including checkpoints on clouds and water surface, you can click on Delete Points. Hold the left mouse button, pulling out a percentage in the area where the checkpoints need to be deleted. The number of checkpoints to be deleted dialog appears. Click on Yes. You can delete checkpoints in this area. Click on Linkage Set. Open the linkage between the image to be checked and the base image. Click on Standard Framing Border. The Standard Framing Border dialog appears. Framing Standard, National Standard or Military Standard can be selected. Framing Scale. The scale is set according to the actual needs, and the software has 9 scales from 1 for 2,000 to 1 for 1 million. Display frame number. Checklist option to display the standard framing name in the checkpoint editing tool window. Click OK. Click on Export Quality Inspection Report. The Export Quality Inspection Report dialog appears. Select Export Parts. Click on Yes. That will export Quality Inspection Report. The Quality Inspection Report is in window from, which includes X arrow, Y arrow, and detail arrow of each checkpoint. Click on Geometric Correction button to open the Geometric Correction dialog. Add images to be processed. Select Correction Model and Output Projection. Correct result Auto QE. Automatically perform quality evaluation during the process of outputting correcting result. Output resolution. Set output resolution. This option is only available in semi-automatic model. Set the C path for output file. Geometric correction processing completed. Click on OK.